emergency broadcast system announcing the commencement of the annual Purge sanctioned by the U.S. government. Weapons of Class 4 and lower have been authorized for use during the Purge. All other weapons are restricted. Government officials of ranking 10 have been granted immunity from the Purge and shall not be harmed. Commencing at the siren, any and all crime, including murder, will be legal for 12 continuous hours. Police, fire, and emergency medical services will be unavailable until tomorrow morning at 7 a.m. when the Purge concludes. Blessed be our new founding fathers and America, a nation reborn. May God be with you all.
I know you in there. Open the door. I'll give it to the count of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Looks like time is up. Ah, there you are. I can smell you a mile away. Hiding doesn't help you lose your lovable scent, love. I know for sure I'm not the only one who find the taste of fear so delicious. Is that your heartbeat? How adorable. The fun chase you insisted on? I hope it's worth all the trouble that you brought with you. You came to my coffee shop every day. I have been nice to you. But you keep me waiting for weeks and still refuse me in the end. You know, that hurt my feelings, darling. You were so much eager before, almost begging to feel my fangs sink into your skin. But when the time came, you ran like a coward. And now, you have to face the consequences. It would have been fine if you kept your big mouth shut. But no. You went to told your friends, your family, and even the police. They keep coming up, want to interrogate me. All because of you. But that's okay. Tonight is the night I can get my revenge. Maybe in the next life, you can keep your big mouth shut. Let me see. What do I have? Oh, looky! I have a gun. Oh, and a knife too? Which one do I want to use? Sadly, tonight I can't grow my fangs because of my medication. What a pity to miss out on a wonderful experience. But oh well. Shh, 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 shh. It's okay. I will make it quick. I promise. Nighty night. Were you looking for someone? Looks like you're too late.